Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dolton, local and long distance movers near me. Our skilled movers know how to ensure your long distance move doesn't involve the stress. We can help you relocate to the next state over or across the country. The best moving services help make all the difference, and our staff offer just what you require for your moving needs. Along with the basic long distance moving solutions, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost when choosing an Illinois moving company. A local moving company delivers many advantages, which can make it well worth the expense. The time savings you gain can make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Eliminating heavy lifting also offers another advantage of hiring a local moving company. With our experienced movers, you get a very efficient move throughout. Moving day gets much simpler with 3 movers since we improve your whole entire move. It doesn't matter how big your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dolton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.